Okay.
All right, thank you so much, everyone who's watching. Behind the camera here is Bondri Kilenga, a report for Radio Toila Karamoja, based in Kotido here. Now, for a very long time, we have been fighting the issues of alcohol. And if you can see today, we are going to be destroying about 777 jerrycans of alcohol. If you can look closely behind me here, the guys are offloading the Waragi, which will soon be destroyed on the orders of the court. Now, for a very long time, they have been passing through checkpoints, although they have installed checkpoints in several other places. But these people always pass the checkpoints and they beat up the checkpoints, bringing the alcohol into the area. Now, on several other occasions also, they have blamed this alcohol for fueling the raids. They have blamed this alcohol for causing a lot of domestic violence, leading the numbers to escalate. Others have caused harm and then death, several other deaths, with the Kahanga situation already based in Karamoja. Now, for today, we are going to be destroying this Waragi, which is going to be powered in Kotido airstrip here. And if you can also see the other people who are gathering around, just if you can take a close look at it, we also have the security team that is also going to be moving around to see that the exercise is quite done in a very good manner. If you can also see the dignitaries who are here, we have the RDC, we have the DISO, we have the policemen, the DPC, we have the RPC's office, all well represented, together with the 43rd Battalion Commander, that is Lieutenant Colonel Emmanuel Akafureka, who are going to be ushering in the destruction of all this Waragi. As soon as the exercise starts, we shall come back with another video. Thank you.
Thank you, Bondri. You can see all these 777 jerrycans of Waragi.
Hello, driver. Songeza gari mbele kidogo. Yeah, so as you can see there, the exercise is almost about to start, and the team is just getting ready and getting set to ensure that they start the pouring of the Waragi. These are 777 jerrycans, starting from here at my foot, going up to the end of it down there. There are about 777 jerrycans. All right, so as you can see, the offloading is actually done, and in a few minutes we shall be starting off with the exercise. So these are the 777 jerrycans of illicit Waragi, and if you can see back in the background there are several other jerrycans. I'll just take you through, bringing you right here from the back up to the front here. You can just see the jerrycans, and if you can quite see them, that's too much. For the guys who love drinking, you would be here, then you just feel the scent. But now for other guys like us, it is something that is intoxicating. It goes straight into your head, and it goes straight into your I could say even the lungs. It makes you feel the energy that this alcohol has, and I wonder how these guys kind of like take it, or maybe sometimes they try to mix it. But for the accusations that we always also have is that when they bring it like this is just still the content brought right from Masindi or maybe Lira, but when it reaches here, sometimes it's mixed with water. Thank you. As you can see, we are just in a few minutes going to be witnessing the pouring of all this Waragi, and definitely that is a lot of million shillings going to waste. Tentatively, a jerrycan of Waragi is sold at 95,000 shillings. That is according to some of the perpetrators who were arrested with them. They purchased this Waragi at 95,000 shillings per jerrycan, and they come and sell it at around 120 to 130,000 Ugandan shillings, which means they make a profit of about 40,000. And as you can see, all this is going to waste. Ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for turning up today. As I promised you earlier on last week, we said we shall be bringing live events and some of the things that are happening within Karamoja. For the people who are turning in and tuning in for the first time, my name is Bondri Acoli. Today we bring you something so much exciting. For a long time, 2021 if I could be precise, the army together with the security forces, let me say the joint security forces in Karamoja, decided to ban the sale and consumption of alcohol. Now this is not any other kind of alcohol, but it is illicit crude Waragi. Now if you can also look at it, they have been selling this, and
with the rain, if the rain is coming to be worse. Hey. And then, sample.
You can see how the jerrycans are burning out and bursting out in flames.
They come fragments and cannot get to the environmental.
All right, as earlier I promised to come back and then give you more information on this. The rain tried to chase us away, as you can see, but we are already witnessing it. The execution of the court order has already commenced, and then we can see the 777 Jericans of illicit Waragi are being poured in the background, as you can see. I will take you through that, but continue visiting the page for more details. As I promised you, this week it's going to be starting, and we shall continue with some of the most interesting things happening in Karamoja. Thank you. We are continuing the pouring.